Good morning, class 5th. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, this is your maths period. Take out your maths notebook and write down today's date, which is 19th of August 2020. Then write down classwork and write down the heading exercise 4B. Done. So today we'll do question number 3 from exercise 4B. So copy down question number 3. Subtract. Now copy down part A. 9 by 10 minus 7 by 10. 9 by 10 minus 7 by 10. So this is numerator and this is denominator. So denominators are same. So we'll simply subtract the numerators. So write down denominator, which is 10. Then 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. Good. 2 by 10. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So answer is 1 upon 5. Now copy down part C. 10 5 upon 7 minus 8 2 upon 7. This is in mixed fraction. So firstly we'll change it. Okay, so 7 tens are 70. 70 plus 5, 75. So 75 upon 7 minus 7 eights are 56. 7 eights are 56. 56 plus 2, 58. So 58 upon 7. Now this is numerator and this is denominator. Denominator are same. So we'll simply subtract the numerator. So 75 minus 58. So 75 minus 58 is equals to 17 upon 7. Now we'll change 17 upon 7 into mixed fraction. So divide it here. Divide 17 by 7. 7 twos are 14. Subtract. 17 minus 14 is equals to 3. So in mixed numeral, quotient, which is 2, remainder, which is 3, upon divisor, which is 7. So 2 3 by 7. Complete this question. Done. Now note down part E. Note down part E. 5 1 by 2 minus 3 1 by 3. Again this is in mixed fraction, so change it. 2 fives are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 upon 2 minus 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 upon 3. Now denominators are different, 2 and 3. So find LCM of 2 and 3. 2 3. So 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is. Now 3 ones are 3. So 2 3s are 6. LCM is 6. So now 11 upon 2 minus 10 upon 3. Now 2 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 2 3s are 6. So डिनोमिनेटर में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई तो न्यूमरेटर में भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 10 अपॉन 3. 3 के टेबल में 6 कब आता है? 3 2s are 6. So न्यूमरेटर में भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ 11 3s are 33 upon 2 3s are 6 minus 10 2s are 20 upon 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now denominators are same. So we'll simply subtract the numerators. So 33 minus 20. 33 minus 20 is equals to, subtract 20 from 33 in rough, is equal to 13 upon 6. But we have to find out the answer in mixed fraction. So divide 13 by 6. 6 2s are 12 minus 13 minus 12 is 1. So quotient, which is 2, remainder, which is 1, upon divisor, which is 6. Complete the question. After this, note down part G. Part G from question number 3. Eighteen 5 by 8 minus 11 5 by 6. This is in mixed fraction, so change it. So 18 8s are, 8 18, 18 into 8 is equals to 144. 144 plus 5 is equals to 149 upon 8 minus 6 11s are, or 11 into 6 66. 66 plus 5 71 upon 6. Now this is numerator and this is denominator. Denominators are different, so take LCM. 8 6. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3, 4 as it is. Now 4 1s are 4, 1. So LCM is 2 into 3 into 4. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. So LCM is 24. Now 149 upon 8 minus 71 upon 6. Now 8 के टेबल में 24 कब आता है? 8 3s are 24. So न्यूमरेटर में भी we'll multiply it by 3. Now 6 के टेबल में 24 कब आता है? 6 4s are 24. नीचे मल्टीप्लाई तो न्यूमरेटर भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई. Now take a rough paper and multiply 149 by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14 and 3 1s are 3, 4. So 447. 447 upon 8 3s are 24 minus 71 into 4. So 71 multiplied by 4. 4 1s are 4 and 4 7s are 28. So 284. Now denominators are same, so we'll simply subtract the numerator. 447 minus 284. Now subtract 447 and 284. 447, 284. 7 minus 4, 3. 4 minus 8, we cannot subtract 8 from 4. So we'll take one borrow from this 4, which makes this 4 14, and this 4 will become 3. So 14 minus 8 is equal to 6, and 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So 163 upon 24, right? Now we have to convert it into mixed fraction, so we'll divide 163 by 24. So 24 multiplied by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, and 7 4s are 28. 7 2s are 14, 15, 16. So 168 is bigger than 163. So we'll take 24 into 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. So 24 6 hours 144. Now subtract 3. Take one borrow from this 6, which makes this 3 13, and the 6 will become 5. So 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1, and 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder, and this is the divisor. So the answer is quotient, which is 6, remainder which is 19, upon divisor which is 24. So children, complete this question. Now children, open your book and come to page number 59. Mark your homework. Part B, Part D, Part F and Part H of question number 3 are your homework for today. You have to do these questions as your homework in your notebook, okay? So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much, class 5th. Take care. Bye-bye.